Hello friend, dear students, welcome back to my video series. I'm Rakesh Mohan, your memory mentor and speed mathematics coach. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing technique of speed calculation called digit sum method. Digit sum method. So what is the digit sum method? In the mathematical field, most of the mathematics professors, lecturers, speed mathematics experts, they call this digit sum method as calculation ka baap hai, father of all the calculations. Because if you know this technique, digit sum method, you can find whether the answer is correct or not. Without doing calculation, you can put the answer directly. इसलिए इसको कहते हैं, that's why this is called calculation ka baap hai, father of all the calculations. If you want to find your answer in addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, whether sometimes you are taking a competitive exam where the problem is given and 4 options are there. So what you do, instead of doing calculation, you can just find the digit sum of the problem and check which answer matches with that. You can directly put the answer. You will save 80% of your time in examinations, especially competitive exams. Okay, so dear students, first I'll show you what is digit sum method, and then I'll show you the next video how to apply this digit sum method. First learn the technique how to find digit sum. Okay, in technically this digit sum is also called as digital roots. Digital roots, but digital root is somewhat a difficult word to remember. I will use the word digit sum. Even a first standard student can understand what is digit sum. So what is a digit sum? First I'll put a 2-digit number and let's see how it works. Digit sum means you have to keep on adding the numbers till it becomes a single digit. You have to keep on adding the numbers till it becomes a single digit. Okay, let's try. 11. So you should think this is not 11. This you should think as 1 and 1. Just you have to add these two numbers. Okay, just you have to add these two numbers. What is 1 plus 1? 2. So you should read this 2 as 2 is the digit sum of 11. That's all. 2 is the digit sum of 11. 121. Add all the numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 1. How much? It is 4. So 4 is the digit sum of 121. Clear? 1, 2, 1, 2. Add all the numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is the digital sum of 1212. Okay, so we have to keep on adding the numbers till it becomes a single digit. Okay, let's take on higher numbers. Okay, observe friends here. If you've come across any numbers which is 9, or if you come across any two numbers which adds up to 9, you can cross it. You can cross it. So you'll find there are 2 9s are here. So I'll cross out 9. So you can find the digit sums very easily. Now take another number. 6 and 3. 6 and 3 adds up to 9. Correct? So you can ignore 6 and 3 because 6 plus 3 is 9. So only number that is left now is 8. So you can write 8 directly. 8 is the digit sum of 36989. Instead of adding all the numbers, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, 26 plus 7 is 35. So instead of adding 35, you get 35. Again this 35 we have to add 3 plus 5, you get 8. So both are same. Instead of adding like this, you can save your time. So if you just see the numbers, if it adds up to 9, if the number is 9, you cancel it and take the remaining numbers to find the sum. I'll give you another example. Okay, it's a bigger number. 968 543 954. See, I have any number, the 2 9s are there. I'll cancel 2 9s. And see any other number that adds up to 9. See 5 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So you can cancel 5 and 4. Again here 5 and 4 is there. Cancel 5 and 4 because both numbers adds up to 9. So how many numbers are left? 3, 6 and 8. See, this 3, 6, 8, if any number adds up to 9. Yes. 6 plus 3 is 9. So you can cancel 6 and 3. So only number that is left with us now is 8. All the numbers are cancelled because either they number 9 or they adds up to 9. So 8 is left, right? 8 is the digit sum of this number. That's all. So you have to find out. If you find a digit sum, it's very easy to calculate this answer very easily. Remember, this is the bulk of all the speed calculation techniques. If you know this digit sum method, in future calculation techniques, I'll teach you how to find answers, how to check your answers whether it's right or wrong. Okay. And final example I want to show you. Let's take a bigger number. How to find the digital root of this number? So first see any numbers at 9 or adds up to 9. So 9 is here, cancel it. 9 is here, cancel it. 9 is here, cancel it. See if any numbers adds up to 9. No. 7, 3, 7, 6, 5. Yes. 3 and 6 adds up to 9. So I will cancel 3 and 6. So how many numbers are left? 7, 7, 0, 5, 0. So you can ignore 0. So only 7, 7, 5. So add this number. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Again ignore 18 from there because 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay. And only last number is left is in 19. If you remove 18, last number left is 1. So 1 is the digit sum of this number. Digit sum of this number. Okay, dear friends. Now I'll show you one simple example. A simple example how this digit sum is used to check the answer. Fine. Let's take simple example. 32 into 12. You have to multiply 32 into 12. In the previous section, I had taught you how to multiply two digit numbers in single step. Fine. So I will put the answer directly here and check whether the answer is correct or not. 2 2s are 4, 8, 3 1s are 3. So 32 multiplied with 12, answer is 384. Now let us check whether the answer is correct or not. So how to check the answer? So mentally find the digit sum of these three numbers. 32, 12 and 384. I just put one dash here to put the digit sums. You don't have to do it. You can do this in your mind with practice. Add these two numbers. 3 and 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. Add these two numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. Same thing you do for the answer. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Okay. 15. Again, your 15 you have to make it single digit number. 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. So, 6 is the digit sum of 384. Now we have to find. There are three numbers I got. 5, 3 and 6. Now, there are two numbers because this is a multiplication. You have to multiply 5 and 3. These two numbers. Not this 6. Keep as it is. So multiply 5 into 3 mentally. 5 3s are 15. You got 15 in your mind. 15. 15 is a two-digit number. You have to make it a digit sum. You add the numbers. 15. 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 gives you 6. Okay. So here you got the 6 is a digit sum of this number. And here 6 is the digit sum of this answer. So both the numbers are matching. 6 and 6 are matching. So this answer is correct. This answer is correct. Okay. I'll give another simple example for addition. You can check it out. (133) plus 231. It's a simple number, but I want to show you how this digit sum is applied. If you understand this, you can use this for higher numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So answer is 364. Now find the digit sum of the method. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 6, 9. Ignore the numbers. And last number left is 4. Because this is addition, you have to add these two numbers. 7 plus 7 is 14. And what is 1 plus 4? It is 5. Okay? Now just check it out. Here we are getting 5 and we are getting 4. The numbers are not matching. So is it wrong? Let's find. 133 plus 231. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So 364 is the correct answer. Okay, what's happening? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 6. So instead of writing 6 here, I have written 7, which is wrong. So don't make these silly mistakes. It's always a chance of making silly mistakes when doing it fast. So it is 6 here, correct? 7 plus 6 is 13. And what's the digit sum of 13? 1 plus 3. It is 4. So both the numbers are matching. 4 plus 4. So dear students, I just show you here, even though you have learned the answer correctly, but you are using the digit sum method to check the answer. Usually what happens, before I wrote here 7. Sometimes in the speed of doing the problems in your exams, we make silly mistakes. Why do we lose marks in exams, especially in mathematics? Because even though you know the method, even though you are perfect with the method, because of the speed, because of the tension of calculating the problems quickly, we make silly mistakes. Avoid making silly mistakes in exams. If you make silly mistakes, this is usually happens to even a brilliant student. But don't make urgent. If you make urgent, everything will become worse. Okay? So go with natural speed. One ideal speed of calculation. Don't do a calculation like a supercomputer. You can do it like a human computer, but not a supercomputer. Okay? You are not a supercomputer. We don't have to become a supercomputer, but we can do 10 times faster, and you can save your time. So learn the digit sum method, and I will show you in the future videos how to apply this technique in complex problems. If you are taking banking exam, if you're writing IAS exam, mental ability, if you're taking Olympiads, if you prepare for IIT JEE, lot of calculations are there. You can apply this technique. I'll show you with more and more difficult, complex, advanced problems how we can use a digit sum method. Hope you have understood this technique of digit sum method. Very simple. I'll summarize. Take a number, keep on adding the numbers till it becomes a single digit, and that single digit is called digit sum or digital root. So thank you very much.